welcome to a new Discovery Channel video brought to you by your producer, Wolfgang Drake. Today, we have two cats in their natural habitat. This right here is a wild scaredy. Don't fall asleep, okay? Here. The wild scaredy lives in his natural habitat, the human closet. He prefers to stay in the producer's room for some odd reason. Over here we have the natural Bonnie. Her fur color is actually different, but she prefers to blend in with the shadows. Here is a Bonnie in her full visibility. She prefers to walk around, having no idea what is going on. Actually, she prefers staying in one place. Oh! The Bonnie would like to go exploring. The wild scaredy is hiding. Ah, there he is. The kitty boy is trying to escape his room, but alas, he gives up. I would try to get a clip of him and Bonnie fighting, but that's not happening. Wait, oh no. The natural kitty boy wants to go exploring too. He can detect that something is in there though. Let us see. The kitty boy is on her. You just can't see it. I don't know what he's doing. He's just on her head. You can't see it, but eventually you'll hear loud meows. This is what they get. Oh, okay. That's one way. Okay. The cats are gonna hate me after me filming this. We're just relaxing. Then again, they were for some reason in my room. The kitty boy continues to try to escape. That was a meow of uncomfortableness. He really wants to leave. But hearing my cat being so desperate, you may leave. One cat has been left out of the bag, but the other prefers the quiet, calm life. You can't see her. The kitty boy wishes to explore the outside regions of this world. Or maybe he wants to hide. He's there. But the Bonnie still stays here, relaxed. I don't think we should dwell with Bonnie any longer. Kitty boy wishes to explore the underworld. The underworld is the most scary and horrific part of this colossal-sized planet. The kitty boy looks through the gigantic mess. He ponders. Why is everything here? He asks. But then he rubs himself against the box. Here's a close-up view of the kitty boy. The kitty boy looks around, investigating the underworld, and then decides to leave. Finish with the Bonnie. Actually, we are. Oh wait, that was cut out, so it sounds pretty weird. It sounded like, finish yet with the Bonnie. Okay, bye. The owner of this scary, horrific place has brought along the scaredy's favorite toy. The director's headset. You gonna... Meanwhile, the Samson comes down into the underworld. The kitty boy apparently does not like his gift. The kitty boy continues to investigate.
I have a mouse.
But Samson has a solution. A mouse. But the thing is, nothing will help kitty boy escape this terrible underworld. To leave, He must use the most complicated escape method ever. He must take the stairs. Kitty Boy likes hiding under the stairs, even though they're used for leaving. Oh my God! Kitty Boy is actually left! He has escaped the most complicated method ever. Currently, he is under the bed. If I'm not mistaken, the body has already left. I was mistaken. Bonnie just moved. Well, that was our highly researched, highly in-depth nature documentary.